What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a classic, one-pot, aromatic dish that's a favorite in so many homes, veg biryani. This is super flavorful, hearty, and perfect for a cozy meal. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just getting started in the kitchen, you'll be able to whip this up no problem. So, let's jump right in. Alright, here's what we're working with today: basmati rice, a bunch of fresh veggies like carrots, potatoes, peas, and beans, plus some essential spices, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, and of course, the holy grail, garam masala. We're also using yogurt, onions, garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Everything's pretty straightforward, and these ingredients will give you all the flavors you need. First things first, rinse that basmati rice really well. You want to get rid of all the excess starch so the grains stay nice and fluffy. Let it soak for about 30 minutes while we work on the rest. Now, let's talk about the magic behind biryani, the spices. Heat some oil, toss in cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, and cardamom. Let them sizzle for a few seconds until your kitchen starts smelling amazing. Trust me, this step is key for that authentic flavor. Next, we're adding onions. Fry them until they're golden brown and caramelized. This adds sweetness and depth to the biryani. Now, we'll add our ginger garlic paste and chopped veggies. Cook them for a few minutes to soak up all those flavors. Don't forget to season with a little salt and garam masala. Meanwhile, our rice has been soaking, so now we're going to boil it until it's about 75% done, still a bit firm. This way, it won't turn mushy when we finish it off. Time to layer everything. Start with a layer of rice, then spread a layer of the cooked veggies and masala. Repeat until you've used everything, and top it off with some fresh mint and coriander. We're going to seal the pot with a tight lid and cook it on low heat for about 20 minutes. This is called dum cooking, and it's how you get all those flavors to really come together. After 20 minutes, your kitchen will smell insane. Look at that, fluffy rice, perfectly cooked veggies, and the layers are just beautiful. Let's plate this up. And there you have it, guys. A stunning veg biryani ready to be devoured. Pair it with some raita, maybe a squeeze of lemon, and you're all set for an epic meal. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deliciousness coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your biryani, everyone.